Greetings from this beautiful wild beach that I stumbled upon on my way to explore the whole coast of Böda. And when I have passed by running this beach earlier, I said that I will come back because it looks amazing. And it's not named on the map, but it's actually in the middle of between Fagerrör, that I have shown you earlier on my channel, and Homrevet, that I was heading actually to. But then I saw this beautiful piece of beach with sand, pure sand, that you actually fall into quite easily. It is very big layers of sand right here, and the sea looks absolutely amazing. And it's occurred to me that it's time for another beach adventure with Chris, because it looks absolutely amazing. I will point this place on the map so you know where it actually is, because it is not marked as an actual beach. So yes, it is 24th of June, and I am exploring the coast of Böda. It is 19 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and in the sea it is 18 degrees Celsius. So let's then take another swim here. And you can see that my hair has become super blonde. That's because of the sun. Thanks to the power of the sun. I just love summer. It's the best time of the year, and especially when I'm on vacation and enjoying this wild beach all on my own. Alright, the sea is pure sand with few stones at the beginning, but otherwise it is sand only as I walk in right here. It is 6:20 p.m. So yeah, there is still time to catch the last 4 hours of sunshine and enjoy this natural beauty in Öland. Yes, so this is the island Öland, the second largest island in Sweden after Gotland. Gotland is in that direction actually, so they are quite close to the two largest islands in Sweden. The third largest island is actually the one that I'm living on, Södertörn. It's actually an artificial island, but because they have made a bridge over it, how to say. So, but it's the third largest if you look on Wikipedia. And I'm living on it, and I didn't know that they live on an island. I thought that they live on the mainland, but apparently not. So that's a fun fact. So cool, look at that, it's beautiful all around, beautiful nature all alone. If you just follow the coast north from Böda Sand, where it is super crowded, you will find this natural beauty, with the sea being even more beautiful, as it was lots of seaweed in Böda Sand. It's around 5 kilometers from here to Böda Sand. But along the way there are a few more beaches, Homrevet, Sand, both nudist and public beach as well. So alright, then it's time for a swim here, so let's go! So it is super hot on the top layer, but the further you go down it's colder, and that is the actual temperature as such. So happy that I am exploring Öland and I'm on vacation here in Sweden. So yeah, that's a wrap from this wild beach without a name. We can give it a name later. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.